Hey everyone, welcome back again to another Foxtech tutorial. This time, as you can see, we talk about iPad, more specifically how you can go ahead and set a specific song as your alarm on your iPad. Now, it's pretty simple to do, but you need to know the ins and outs of it. So naturally, just go to all of your apps section and try to find the clock app. I assume that this is the app that you use for your alarm, because if you use a third-party app, the rules are completely different there based on how the developers of that app decided it to be. But if we just go with the stock Apple clock app, what you have to do is to switch over to the alarms and choose whichever alarm you want. I mean, I have all of them, so you can like scroll through and like edit and delete any one that you want. So yeah, let me just go ahead and click on this one, for example. And there are some things in here which you can customize. Of course, the time, the label, if the snooze option is going to be available, but there's also the sound option. And when you click on the sound option, it can get you over to the iTunes store where you can purchase some ringtones, which you can use for this specific case. But if I scroll down a bit more, there are songs from my Apple Music, which are actual songs, right? And if I want to, I can just click on pick a song and it moves me over to my Apple Music library. So this is very simple to do. You can scroll through and find any song that you'd have on your Apple Music, like in the normal songs which you listen to, and just choose it to be the alarm sound of your iPad. So it's basically very simple to do, but a lot of people don't realize that you can go ahead and do it. Because as I said, the other option is just to find the built-in one. That's an option as well. Or you can head over to the iTunes store and just purchase a very specific ringtone, which is just the sound, but in a different format. So it's going to behave like a ringtone, right? So these are your options. But if you have Apple Music or some songs in your music app, you're going to be able to put it there and use it as your alarm sound. That's how it works. Plus, one very quick tip, in case you want to delete all of your alarms, you cannot like do it. I mean, if you have many of them, you have to like delete them manually, but one very quick way to delete all of the alarms at the same time is just to use Siri and tell her to literally just delete all alarms on my iPad. You hit yes, and all of the alarms are now deleted. So this is basically how it works, and hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe down below, make sure to stay tuned for next Foxtech videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out until then.